I've shared my call with the world. For those close who listened, they responded, so I shared, and we were happy. Now I have stepped onto foreign soil, and suddenly I feel so alone. There is suddenly no one for me to call to. I am lost with no chance for me to share my soul. I recently heard of a lonesome whale in the Pacific. His mating call is 52 hertz, which is higher than any whale can hear. Navy researchers studied this one noise, this one unique noise, for years. And as far as they could tell, only one whale made this call. And I've been pacing my apartment, thinking about this one lost whale, wondering, are they lonely? Are they bound to be this way forever? And I think I'm beginning to understand that pit in your stomach feeling, that loneliness that won't go away because when you look around, you see no one. And I want to swim to the deepest depths of the Pacific, look for who is lost. They have to be there somewhere. Let me find them. Let me tell them they're not alone, even if I am. But I know this is all a useless battle. If I found them, they wouldn't hear me. I wouldn't be able to help, and we would remain together, but alone. Because now that I am on foreign soil, I've forgotten how to stretch my hand, hoping someone will want to take it. So I stand here, far too alone, and far too frightened to feel free.